Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to see how to make a simple and a beautiful crochet earring using acrylic yarn and a crochet hook. So let's get started. So what are the things you need here? We'll see. We would need an acrylic yarn of any color, obviously the color of your choice, and a crochet hook which best suits your acrylic yarn. So I'm using a 2 mm or 14 size crochet hook. So I'm gonna show you this earring in the same color. I'm just showing this thread for your reference. So let's get started. So first we have to make a circle. First, let's take the tail end and then hold it in your thumb and middle finger. You can just use these two or you can use these three fingers, and the working yarn will be coming around your index finger. So first let's get started by doing a slip stitch, slip knot. If you are a beginner, you can go check out my videos on basics, so which will describe you and which will show you how to make a slip knot in two different ways. So you can try those ways and see what works for you, and then proceed with your uh, suitable way. I'm gonna make 3 chain stitch, 1 2 3, and then into the first loop, to the first chain, I'm gonna insert it, and then I'm going to do a slip stitch. Then now we have got a small circle here, and make chain 2, and then you have to make a double crochet. So you can use this tail end along with the circle, and then continue with the same double crochet. For double crochet you have to yarn over, then insert into the circle. So it's going to be very small, but you can find your way to insert into the circle, and then yarn over, slip through. Now we have got 3 loops, yarn over and insert into the first 2 loops. This is one single crochet, and then for the second single crochet, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Now there are 2 single crochets, so this is called as a double crochet. So we have to make 10 double crochets here. So I have made the first 2 chains are considered as one double crochet, and then we have made another double crochet. So we have to make 8 more double crochets here. Yarn over, insert into the circle, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So I'm gonna do it again. The one, then I'm making the 6th single crochet now. So you can either cut off this tail end now, or continue to hide it along with the circle. Now we have made 8, I believe. So let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So one more you have to make it 10 double crochets. So this marks the end of the first row. So this is the first double crochet, which is nothing but the 2 chain stitches. I'm going to insert into chain 2, chain 1 and chain 2. I'm going to insert into chain 2 and then make a slip stitch here. Pull through and pull through. So this completes the circle, the first round. And so now the first round is complete. We have to make 5 single chain, 5 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Then you have to insert between the next double crochet, and then do a slip stitch here. So you can see it here. I have inserted into the next double crochet, the space between the next 2 double crochets. Again I'm gonna repeat it. 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain, and then I'm gonna find the next 2 double crochet. This is one and this is the next double crochet. This is first, this is second. From this chain I'm gonna insert into the space between the 2 double crochet and do a slip stitch here. So pull through and then pull all the way through the first loop. Now I've got 2 loops here. I'll make it one more. 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Then I'm gonna insert into the gap between 2 consecutive double crochet and then a slip stitch. So now we have 3 loops here. I'm gonna continue this till the end of this circle, and then I'll meet you there. So I have made 9 patterns here in the second round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I'm gonna make one more here because we have 10 double crochet here, right? So we are making one loop for each. That makes 10 loops in the second round. Chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, and chain 5. I am going to insert here and then make a slip stitch. So this completes the pattern. As you can see, this is a pattern for the earring we just made. I'll show you how to insert the hook into this earring. So this is the last loop. This is the end of the second row, and we have this loop here, the single loop. I'm gonna just make it a little bigger so that I can insert the hook into it. So take a earring hook and then insert into it. You can use a nose plier or you can use that as such, and make sure all the strands of the yarn get into this hook. So now this is complete, and we still have the working yarn hanging around. As you can see it here, I'm just gonna cut this off, cut this tail end, and then I will show you. I am just going to cut this off a little longer. this hook will remain here. Well, I will not pull it tightly. I'm just gonna walk through the thread by pulling it into the next chain stitch or any loops that we have. I'm gonna do that. So this will create a knot here without disturbing the loop we just created. I'm gonna cut this off as well. I'm gonna trim this off. That's it. So we have completed the earring here. So we already have these earrings, as you can see. So you can make these earrings in whatever colors you want. So that is the flexibility of using a woolen yarn, right? If you see here, I have made the same pattern with different colors. I just have to make the hoops there, and I have made it a little bigger as well. If you make like 6 or 7 chains instead of 5 chains here in the second round, you will get a bigger earring. So it's up to your creativity and innovation that you can change the pattern of this earring and make your own. So happy crocheting and thanks for watching my video. Hope to see you guys in another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.